In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Wix Premium Plan in 2025. Whether you're setting up a business site or enhancing your personal portfolio, upgrading to a premium plan can unlock all sorts of amazing features for your website. Let's walk through the process step by step. To kick things off, open Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice. Once you have your browser open, head over to the address bar and type in wix.com. This will take you directly to the Wix homepage where we'll begin our journey to unlocking those premium features. On the Wix homepage, look for the login button. This is usually located at the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you haven't created a Wix account yet, take a moment to sign up. It'll be worth the time. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your Wix dashboard, a hub for all your website needs. Here, you want to navigate your way to the settings. You'll find the settings either on the sidebar or sometimes as a drop-down option in the top menu, depending on your current interface layout. Click on Settings, and let's move forward. Now in the settings menu, you're going to see an option to upgrade. Go ahead and click on this. You might feel a little excitement building up. This is the gateway to opening up your site's potential with premium features. Next, you'll see an option that says compare plan features. Clicking on this will allow you to review the various premium plans that Wix offers, ensuring that you choose the one that best fits your needs. Take your time to compare and contrast the options. Check the features that appeal to your site's requirements, and then click the select button on your preferred plan. After selecting your plan, it's time to seal the deal by entering your payment details. Wix provides several payment options, including credit or debit cards, PayPal, and other methods that may vary based on your country. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the checkout process securely. Once you've completed your purchase, you can bask in the warmth of premium site features, from additional storage space and a custom domain name to priority support and advanced analytics. You now have the tools to make your website shine. Congratulations, you've successfully upgraded your Wix account to a premium plan, setting the stage for a fully fledged professional presence online. Be sure to explore all the newfound features and make the most of your upgraded site. Thanks for watching and happy website building!